A true gentleman. For me, a true gentleman is an individual who acknowledges my feminine energy.
The act of helping others and being kind defines a gentleman.
To recognize the efforts of everyone around them.
A man who is in touch with their softer side or their feminine side.
A true gentleman is all about kindness, integrity, and respect for others.
Gentleman is basically somebody who constantly proves that chivalry is not dead.
A true gentleman means what he says and says what he means.
So basically, men are conditioned to be masculine only. But if a man is in touch with their feminine side, if he's soft, if he's aware of his emotions, flaunts his emotions in front of everybody, I think that's what makes him really gentle.
A true gentleman will always make you smile.
And also, there is no desire of competition.
Moreover, any woman in his family, be it his mother or any woman, has an important role in molding him.
I think having the basic courtesy.
He does not always make a first move.
A true gentleman will find time to value your priorities.
He makes sure that he understands others' opinions, he accepts it and listens basically, and tries to be very empathetic towards everybody's emotions and views. And he also makes sure that he doesn't make anybody cry, which makes a perfect gentleman.
Today, let's celebrate by wishing all the gentlemen around you a happy International Men's Day.